Mission control, we have liftoff.
I'll show you where all my tools are kept. Come have a look. It's something I made earlier. All I've done, with a shelving, separate boxes for screws, woodworking, painting and decorating, carp stuff, cutting discs. You know where everything is: jubilee clips, taps and dies, screws, bolts, saws, hammer, circular saw, ladder. This is ta-da! A drill, cordless, charge your battery overnight. Had this 10 years easy. Spare battery. When's the last time you used this? I put shelves up in the mid house. John. You did actually use it as a hammer. You the right tool for the right job, John. This is a hammer, that's a drill. When somebody goes, could you put your shelves up? I just grabbed this box and I've got a selection of stuff in it. Screwdrivers, drill, charger, selection of screws, wall plugs, and a nice long tape measure to measure things. What's that smoke? This is level. Put the bubble in it. Say that's perfectly level now on a shelf there. Say your roof isn't level, the shelves will look great. Do it by eye, so it doesn't matter if things aren't level. Obviously it's not like that, but it may be off a bit. You stand back and make sure it looks alright. Because it could be level and then you fit that and that won't look level with it. Gardening, hedge cutter, always handy. Trim the hedge out the front or the back. If it's raining, you've got your umbrella. Don't open it inside. So, thank you for watching. Rocket Jonny over and out.